how to find unpublished or draft posts on Facebook. Facebook saves these posts as drafts, so you can access them before they're automatically removed. First, open the Facebook app. Tap What's on Your Mind to start creating a post. Enter some text or add the content you want. When you're ready to save the post without publishing it, tap the X icon in the top left corner of the screen. A pop-up will appear with different options. Select Save as Draft. Now, refresh the Facebook app. After refreshing, you should receive a draft saved notification. Tap the notifications icon. Find the notification for your saved draft and tap it. Here, you'll see your unfinished or unpublished posts. Tap any draft you want to continue editing. You can now make changes to the post and publish it when you're ready. Keep in mind that Facebook only keeps post drafts for a limited time. Drafts may be automatically deleted after 3 days. You can also discard a draft by tapping the 3-dot icon next to it and selecting the option to delete or discard it. And that's how you can find unpublished posts on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.